Hi guys, so I know I'm coming to you guys looking a little messy and doing a different video. Yes, it's an up and down video, which I never do, but I wanted to show you guys just how I blend my hair with some loose deep hair. This is the same hair from my previous video with the double ponytail, and I just wanted to show you guys that I just made it into a wig. Yeah, and what's unique about the wig that I made is I actually used the closure. I was using it to make a full wig with the closure, but I decided to use it as a half wig instead. So basically, yes, the closure is on the wig, but I pushed it back and let some of my leave out in the front so it could look like a flip over method. So yeah, the closure is right there. If you can see, the closure is right there, and I have like bobby pins to hold it down. But I said, you know what? I can use this two ways. I can use this wig two ways. Like, it could be versatile. So if I want to wear it as a full wig, I'll just pull it up and sew it on. And if I want to use it as a half wig, I just push it back and just use bobby pins, because you don't want to sew through the closure because you'll make holes. So I just use some bobby pins and just tack it down. And it's a temporary style. So you can use the full wig as a half wig as well. So yeah, I just made a full wig with the closure, but I just pushed it back and left some of my hair out, and I sewed the perimeter of the wig all the way around. So I sewed it all the way around. But yeah, as y'all know, I am relaxed, and but yeah, this is the hair. I am relaxed, so I left about that much leave out in the front, and I just want to show you guys how I blended with my waving iron. But yeah, this is the loose deep hair. It's very, very pretty. I did put a little water on it just to kind of bring those waves out. And this is like perfect hair for vacation. Make sure I'm not wetting my hair. Well, I can wet my hair, but just putting a little water on and make it a little bit shiny. And this is 2 bundles of 26 and 1 bundle of 24. But let me get right into it. But yeah, this wig is very versatile. Like I said, I'm using it as a half wig, and you can put it in a ponytail even if you want to do that. So really cute. It won't be a super sleek ponytail, but no, it'll look cute like that with some little edges out. And it's kind of undetectable. Of course, you can't put it in a high ponytail, but if you just want a messy ponytail, that'll be cute like that. So yeah, so this is my leave out. I just take a piece, and I take a piece of the wig as well. You always want to blend your hair with an actual piece of the hair on the wig. You don't want to just have just your hair, because then it'll be like separated. So you take the waving iron, you hold it for a few seconds, not too long. This waving iron is from Target, and it's the, hold on, I'll tell y'all the brand in a second. It's the Bedhead. The Bedhead waving iron. It's an awesome, awesome waving iron. It's really, really good quality. It's sturdy, and it gets really hot. But yeah, so see, it made some waves in there, and it kind of just helps your hair blend perfectly. So again, take your hair and a piece of weave, and just put the waving iron on there for a few seconds. Definitely want to use some heat protector if you're going to be doing this to your hair every day, but I suggest putting some holding spray on your hair afterwards. I wouldn't suggest putting holding spray on your hair before, because it might like burn the hair. But definitely use some holding spray afterwards. That way you don't have to put heat to your hair every day, because I've waved my hair only one time before, and I've had this hair in for about a week now. So you want to spread it out. You don't want heat damage to your hair. So definitely use a heat protectant. But yeah, I just wanted this messy look. I went over this part again. Well, I went over this part already, but I'm gonna do it just one more time, real quick. So that is my version of how to blend it. Very, very, very easy. Look how easy. Like I said, I will put some holding spray on there, and then I'll just take my edge control. I use a mixture of Got2b Glued, Ultra Glue, the clear, and then the Cream of Nature. And just put a little bit on my edges. I don't like to put a lot of edge control on this area of my hair because I don't want that to look like greasy really quick. So I just really concentrate on my edges where I put the edge control. So I think this style is very like old school. My mom used to wear this a lot in the 90s, like that flip over method. But I think it's one of the most beautiful methods. Everybody's going crazy about like closures and frontals and stuff to get that flawless look. But I think using your own hair, it can be achieved, you know, depending on, you know, everybody's personal situation with their hair. But yeah, it's looking like really, really shiny right now. I don't know why it's looking so shiny right there. But yeah, this is my real hair, you guys. It looks so thick. Oh my gosh. But yeah, that was a fast, simple way to get an easy flip over method blended. Like I said, this is the half wig I have on. The link will be in the description box where to get the hair. And definitely check out my other video with me using this hair as a ponytail. So really, really quick, definitely pick up this waving iron. It's really, really convenient when you're trying to blend your hair with wavy textures. So yeah, super easy. Thanks for stopping by, you guys. This was like super quick, out of the normal, I know, for my videos, but I just wanted to show you guys how I blended it. And yeah, how easy it can be. And to check out this hair, it is gorgeous. Does not tangle, does not shed. Of course, all hair sheds, but very, very minimal shedding with this hair. And you can, like I said, pull it back and flip it the other way. I think this is, like I said, one of the prettiest, most natural looking methods. Now it doesn't want to flip this way for some reason. But it's very like free. I don't know, you could just flip it any way you want. Any way you style it, it is gorgeous. So y'all let me know what you think. Let me know what you're thinking about this method. And yeah. That's all. I'm just gonna stay playing in my hair, you guys. Thanks so much for stopping by. Like I said, check out the description box, the links below to where to purchase this hair. This is Julia hair. Sorry, I can't talk today. This is Julia hair. Yeah, but it's very, very beautiful. Definitely check it out. The link will be below. Definitely rate, comment, subscribe, so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks for stopping by, you guys. Bye.